What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty, back with another banger. Woo! Okay, so this week on Twitter, I actually turned my Twitter into a foreign exchange signal service. Hey, if you guys were actually watching this video, smash that like button just so I can know you're here. Hello, hello. Hey, but anyway, look. If you guys were actually on that Twitter, you got to experiment with me. The social experiment, I think, was very profitable for all the people who were involved. So thank all of you guys for running up my streams and actually follow me on Twitter to follow along and be a part of this crazy social experiment. So why I did it? Well, it's crazy. Like, I see all these Forex signal services. I see a lot of people, really just selling all type of products and services. So I'm like, fuck it. Why don't I just show people, hey, this is where I'm getting in and this is where I'm getting out. All right, so fuck sending out just a regular signal. See, I did it a little bit different. I didn't just say, oh, buy here and hold here. It was more so like I needed to show people, hey, this is the science behind the cake mix, if that makes sense. All right, so there's this new thing, man. It's like this Forex Guru Factory. You're like, what's Forex Guru Factory? Well, let me tell you. So Google has actually become the biggest Forex Guru Factory. And what I mean is this. Now, it is so easy to become a foreign exchange guru. All you have to do is go to GoDaddy, get yourself a 99-cent domain. Once you get that, literally super simple, find your website builder, build yourself a professional website, and now you're a professional Forex trader. The only thing you need now is information. But where do you get that from? You could literally type in free Forex strategies or free Forex information and boom, now you're a natural course seller. So you just have to become a really, really good salesman. So I was like, well, fuck the salesman, we actually trade Forex, right? So let's just go over some of the results that myself and others got this week. All right, so what I'm gonna do on this part is I'm gonna actually have like the Twitter part right here. So you're gonna see the Twitter thing right there. And then now I'm just gonna start scrolling through my Twitter feed, just shouting out results. And we're gonna actually talk about some of these results, some of these trades. And I think all around it's gonna be really, really interesting to see, how this whole thing went down. So I'm just on Twitter right now. Like I said, the Twitter will be right here. Let's go over some of these results, all right? So this was actually a recent trade from 47 minutes ago. I was sending out some stuff on Bitcoin and stuff like that. I know a lot of people were talking about the Bitcoin halving happening and stuff like that. Behind me, I have Euro JPY, okay? But the other chart that I had previously was Bitcoin, so I sent that out, all right? So what is that? Paulo Alcantara. I don't know how to pronounce names, but I'll try to pronounce names. All right, so he was like, thanks for the knowledge. That was an easy $3,000 in less than 30 minutes. So he actually took the Bitcoin call and was able to make an extra $3,000 in 30 minutes. Now, mind you, this is a Saturday that I'm making a video. So it's Saturday, what's the date? May 9th. Okay, so Saturday that I'm making a video. All right, so let's just keep scrolling. All right, so I was telling people I got this new song called Winning Profit, Trying to Stop It. What's cool about the song is like when you listen to the song, right, you kind of remember the lyrics like the lyrics to most songs, but the thing about this one is when you remember Winning Profit, Trying to Stop It now and apply it to trading, when you actually are in profit and trying to stop it, well, that's a positive trade. So now you got to do is let your trade run, right? So I mean, the song, it's like educational rap, it's pretty dope. All right, so I thought Bitcoin was gonna drop to 93.54. Okay, it blew right past 93.54, and I was like, okay, if it breaks the channel, it's gonna go to like 7,000. Okay, but it never got all the way to 7K, but it got to like 8,000 something. All right, crazy big ass drop, 8,344. All right, so a lot of people got to eat off that, right? So people were like, yo, Ty, did you catch that move? All right, somebody was like, yo, Tyllionaire, I just caught the big drop on Bitcoin. Thank you for teaching me how to trade. Turned a 0.01, or in other words, a micro lot into $40. But this guy used hella micro lot. So he turned his $99 account, did a $214 profit on that. And now he has $314 in his account. So this is another person, all right? Let's keep scrolling. Y'all know I got the all my life about the drop. Let's keep scrolling. I was on Twitter roasting people too. All right, so I was talking about Euro JPY. I said, hey, this is my markup for Bitcoin, and we're currently bullish, which we were looking at the charts. It was currently bullish. Okay, I was like, price hit 10,000 the past week, which is why price is retracing. So if you don't know what a retracement is, now if the market is bullish and it's going up and it starts retracing, what's that mean? That means it's about to drop, or that means it's coming back, right? So I'm like, hey, that's why the price is retracing. Although if the retracing isn't over, meaning, hey, if the bears are still in town, then price will continue dropping. Okay, and like I said, I thought Bitcoin was gonna go to 9345. All right, but hey, it didn't. It dropped way past that. It dropped to 98344, which is shit crazy, right? So let's keep rocking it. All right, so we're gonna look at more signals. All right. Forex moving like NASCAR. Bro shouting me out. This is from US 30. I gave a bunch of US 30 signals this week. All right, this is from Mark. All right, here's his results. You see, he flipped his account from 618, did an $862 profit, and now his equity is $1,400, almost $1,500. So that was a nice flip, and he didn't even need that much in US 30. All right, this other dude came through, fucked the market up. He said 482 margin. Turned his account from 42 into almost what, $10,000. Okay, so this is a $2,000 profit right here. Okay, now these are just a day ago. This is now, like I said, it's Saturday, so yesterday was Friday. This is just some Friday calls. All right, so he was like, that's not that much, but I'm blessed to get the $105 from your signals. I've been bumping US 30. Life could be different. Winning profit, trailing stop it. All of them are fire. And I was like, man, appreciate that. All right. So he was like, trailing stop. Good thing you hit me on Twitter too. And I was this one chick, Natasha. She made a song, you know, for trade games. So I was like, oh man, it's dope. She actually, you know, tapped in with the movement on Twitter. So I'm like, oh, that's lit. You know what I'm saying? Here we are talking about the JPN 225. How I called that 3 days ago, and now that price is. It filled what it was supposed to do, okay, and did exactly what it's supposed to do. All right, so here's some Australian dollar buys. Now I'll show you where I caught out those Australian dollar buys. Now this is just Friday. I did this the whole week. You guys can go to my Twitter and scroll through an entire week. There's positive results the entire week. And go to the Twitter at Tyllionaire. I'll go ahead and put it up here. All right, but let's just keep going. So a lot of people, you know, were enjoying this shit, you know, really. So here is the Swiss franc sell, and you're probably like, what sell off? So if you were trading this week, then USD Swiss franc had a crazy sell off. All right, so 2 days ago I posted, hey, USD Swiss franc looks like it's gonna drop the hill. I mean, in a sense, that's a signal. And then I showed the markup on the Forex and Fortnite stream, so then people who were on the Twitter and then came on the stream were able to see the whole, you know, the whole get down. So I thought that was cool as well. All right, so here it is. Here's people eating off the USD Swiss franc sell off right here. Great British Pound. I'm like, hey, you're up 70 pips from that call. If they're trading with me, I tell people to try to stop that shit. All right, telling people, hey, it's back at resistance, but the lower time frames suggest the break. Meaning I was looking at the 5 minute, looking at the 15 minute, looking at the 30, and I seen the break. It suggests a break. Okay, and when we looked at the 4 hour, as you can see when we scroll up, this is actually what it looked like before that shit took all the way off. So I just opened up the chart right here before it took all the way off. All right, and then this shit takes all the way off and just went crazy. All right, so German 30, I said his outro. Euro JPY bulls just took off. Somebody asked me my target for US 30. I said 24,700 or 25,000. All right, so like I said, we're still just reading tweets right now. This is all on Twitter. This is just a day ago, so I'll take a big scroll, you know, so we can just get to 2 days back now. So here's S&P buys. Okay, people are yamming on that shit. All right, telling people, hey, if you buy any of the index pairs, go ahead and adjust those trailing stops. Winning profit, trailing stop it. The song is a prophecy, baby. The song is a prophecy. All right, the people keep saying the music go hard. Thanks for the signals too. Okay, they eating right now. All right, so I was like S&P 5 to 3,000. All right, here it is right here, telling people, hey, look at how the bulls are gonna run. So basically, I know every time the price goes up or down, there's always a retrace. So right here is when I spotted that retrace. Okay, so then you're like, oh man, like I spotted the retrace, and then shit, we were like, okay, the market's gonna drop. The market dropped, hit that higher low, and just took the fuck off. All right, so that's when a few days ago, that's when yesterday the market and US 30 just got cracking, NASDAQ got cracking, S&P 500 got cracking. And really the whole week it was bullish and we were riding. But I mean, right here, like I said, you could just go here and watch the whole markup and, you know, see how it's cracking. Super simple. All right, so here are people showing that they are actually making money on their live accounts. All right, somebody made a trade game purchase on the website. That was dope. All right, another US 30 call. Somebody made like 600 in like an hour. All right, he made off the US 30 sales, you know, because they got buys and sells. Like I said, you got retraces too. So you got buys and then you got sells. So we're bullish and then sometimes we're bearish. So when I see it and I see the retrace, I will be like, hey man, the market is retracing right now, and then it'll move like that. So shit, let's get it. So it started off shit, people were selling, people were buying. We've been selling and buying, just really going crazy. All right, here's when Bitcoin was getting closer to that 10K, and I told people, hey, Bitcoin's about to smack that 10K. That was 3 days ago, so let's scroll back like 3 days ago. All right, see if we can get this. This was US 30 before it took all the way off, but let's see if we can find that Bitcoin joint. Well, it was actually right there. I can just click on it. Well, here it is right here. Boom. So here's the, I'm zooming in, so on the phone you'll see the whole zoom in on that part of the screen. So I'm actually zooming in, I'm showing you guys the play. So that's exactly what Bitcoin did before it hit 10K. I thought it was gonna keep going, and then I seen it at a high, like damn, it's at a high price, and that's when I'm like, yo, and I gave out the tweet like, hey, this is what's going on with Bitcoin right now. And I mean, people were able to adjust and move accordingly. Then they were able to sell that joint down. All right, so ultimately the week was really, really good. Like I said, I thought it was a great social experiment. I know people had a great time. So we actually got a lot of new things that actually came out of that week, like Forex and Fortnite. Like that's a thing now, you know what I'm saying? So I will be streaming as much as I can, just, you know, playing Forex and trading playing Fortnite and trading Forex. I think that's gonna be the new wave, okay? So we started something new. So all you guys got to do is just like this video, okay, turn on my notifications, make sure, okay, make sure you go to either Spotify or Apple Music, okay, buy the Tyllionaire song, go listen to a Tyllionaire song. Make sure when you listen to the songs, man, you actually listen to them, pick up some of the game that's in the song. So I want you to not only pick up the game that's in the songs, I want you to get smart too, okay? I had to stop the recording on the phone. I had to record it on the phone cracker too. But I want you to get smart as well, you know, and really be able to take that mindset and mentality to the new level, to new heights. All right, so man, you guys already know how this is. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that sub button. I'm gonna go ahead and end it off with a trigger. You feel me? And I'm out this bitch.